You're not looking for a day boat. You're looking for the kind of boat that makes you rethink how you spend every weekend. The MY6, built in France, designed by the Andriot Studio, a 46-foot catamaran wide enough to feel like a floating platform, fast enough to go wherever you actually want to be. Stepped hulls, twin Volvo drives pushing you forward, fast enough to outrun the afternoon weather, enough range to stay out for days and keep going. You're past the inlet and into open water before most of the marina has left the dock. 3 levels of outdoor living on one boat. Flybridge above, foredeck lounge forward, cockpit centered on the water. You don't pick one spot for the afternoon. You just move with the light. Flybridge gives you 360 views, nowhere to look but out. Drop to the foredeck lounge when the anchor's set, cushions out, afternoon in the sun. The wide catamaran platform makes getting in the water easy, no scramble, no ladder drama. And the range on this boat takes you to anchorages that most boats can't reach in a single day. Below decks, there's an owner's suite, 2 queen cabins, 3 private heads. Everything you need when the day finally runs out. But that's not why you buy the MY6. You buy it for what happens outside. 3 levels of living, open sea, a catamaran platform that holds steady while the horizon moves. That's what 46 feet of beam and hull actually means. For full specifications and availability on the MY6, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. Every spec, every detail. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.